Hi everyone, this is Katie Moon. Welcome to today's video. 안녕하세요 여러분, 반갑습니다. Katie Moon이라고 합니다. Today I want to show you my spring makeup look, so please stay tuned. First, I'm applying the Caprice Pot of Shade Heliotropic SPF 30 as my base with my fingers. I've been using this clean product for 5 years now. This product has sweet iris stem cells, tamanu oil, probiotics, and sea algae that help soothe, plump, and smooth my skin. Next, I'm applying the YSL All Hours Foundation color BD30 Almond all over my face with my beauty sponge. This foundation is buildable and has medium to full coverage, and it blurs pores and fine lines that I have. It is not too matte and not shiny, so it lasts for a while without reapplying. Also, I really love the smell of this product. Say hi. Hi. No, you have to sit down and say hi. Hi. Ooh. My son is not feeling well today. Say hello. Hi. Okay. I'm back. Next, I'm applying the Tarte Creaseless Concealer number 32N under my eyes to cover my dark circles, and also applying on top of my nose to make my nose look slimmer and higher. I'm also applying next to my nose and lips where there are dark lines. I'm using my beauty blender to blend away any harsh lines. I just bought this concealer a few days ago and I'm loving it. It has full coverage and has creamy texture that doesn't crease or sit in fine lines that I have, and it doesn't have strong smell, which is plus. Next, I'm applying the Fenty Beauty Match Stick Color Suede with my Sephora Concealer Brush number 46. I've been wearing glasses since I was in middle school, so I have dark spots next to the bridge of my nose. So I'm trying to hide that and contour my nose as well. I'm drawing 2 lines down the side of my nose. And I'm also contouring bottom of my nose to make my nose look shorter. And I'm blending in harsh lines with my beauty blender. I'm going back with my brush and contouring next to the bridge of my nose and connecting lines from my eyebrows so everything flows better. I'm also contouring under my lower lip so my lip looks fuller. Next, I'm using the Physician Formula Rose All Play eyeshadow for my eye makeup. I really love this product because all the colors are so pretty and it really smells like roses too. So good. I'm using number 3 Bottomless Brunch to highlight down the bridge of my nose. Next, I'm using my Prepara Speedy Eyebrow Wood Pencil to draw my eyebrows. I always use dark brown color so my eyebrows doesn't look too strong. I always prefer a natural look. Next, I'm using Physician Formula eyeshadow number 5, Sure Why Not, as a base eyeshadow, and I'm applying this color top and bottom of my eyelid. Next, I'm using Physician Formula eyeshadow number 8 Berry Cheek using XOXO's brush. I'm building this color to my crease and blending in all my edges. Next, I'm using the eyeshadow number 6 Yes Way Rose in the middle of my eye. I'm building the pink silver metallic color on top of my eyelid so my eyes stand out. I've been loving this pretty rose gold classic lash curler from Tweezerman to curl up my eyelashes. It is very sturdy too. Next, I'm using the Clio Sharp So Simple waterproof pencil liner to draw the root of my lash line. This gives the appearance of thicker lashes and bigger eyes. Again, I'm blending in all my edges so it looks natural. Next, I'm using Esquido eyelash glue to put on my eyelashes. I have allergic reaction to those glue that comes with eyelashes, so this product doesn't give me any allergic reactions, so I'm good to go. I'm using my favorite mascara that's called Ink Black Cara to curl up my eyelashes. I'm using YSL Rock Shine lipstick color number 10. I love the color of this lipstick because it looks natural and makes your lips look plump, and it smells so nice as well. Next, I'm using RMS Beauty Luminizing Powder, color Grande Dame, to highlight my bridge and tip of my nose and cheekbones. I've been using RMS Beauty product for a while, and I'm really enjoying this clean product. Last but least, I'm using YSL Blush number 5 Powder Blush. It is very natural coral color and I'm very pleased with it. Okay everyone, this is my final look. If you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.